How to log out Instagram on all devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Instagram on all the devices. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to tap on the Instagram, open it up, and once you open up Instagram, you want to log into your account that you want to log out from all of the devices or all the devices. Now let this load up. It's loading up. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see there, and what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once there, you can see various options. You want to tap on settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy you can see various options. Now after the latest update, however, what you want to do is you want to head into the first option, that is account center here on the meta. It'll take you to the meta, and you can see various options here. You want to head into the option that says password and security here, and you can see personal details and your information and permissions. You can head into your information and permissions here, and you can see various options as well. But what you want to do is you want to head into password and security option. Now here under password and security you can see various options, and under security checks you can see the very first option where you are logged in, right? You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to tap on your account name again. If you have multiple accounts connected, then it'll show the list. You want to tap on the particular option that you want to choose, particular account, and then you can see all the devices here. You want to scroll all the way down below, and you can see select devices to log out option. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you want to tap on select all option at the right hand side of the screen, and once you select all, simply tap on log out, and your account will be logged out from all the devices. So this way you can log out Instagram on all devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.